Hey y'all, so today we have another unboxing of a doll. It's the Fabiola of Hollywood doll. So let me just get my tools here and chop this open. I found this doll I just love vintage things, and I've been following this doll maker for a while, a couple years now. And I've tried to get this doll. It was so hard to get the first time, but this time I set an alarm and I just made sure I got one. I was so excited. So here she is. Oh, so this is one of the outfits I got also. Wait, let me turn on the light. It says Cedric of Hollywood, petite department for all your glamour needs. And beautiful little cheetah print gown with a little black side. I just can't wait to open this box, so let's just check her out. Let's see. Ooh, it's cute. It's wrapped so nicely. I don't want to mess it up. Hi Juan, thanks so much for the support. Hope you love your Fabiola, Mike. I love those little, wow, they're so pretty. And so, let's see. I don't want to mess this up, but, oh man, whatever, I already ripped it. Okay. Let's see what she looks like. Okay, y'all, and on the back of this box, it basically says, Fabiola of Hollywood is a sex symbol during the 50s and 60s. She is oozing with glamour, and with her slinky over-the-top plunging necklines. The Boricua bombshell, Fabiola Inés Casiano, was born in Mayañez, Puerto Rico, and she skyrocketed to fame after her 1955 ballerina rendition, and Cedric of Hollywood caught her and flew her off to Hollywood, and where she modeled lavish gowns and lingerie by day and partied at Hollywood's most glamorous clubs by night. Fabiola suddenly had it all. Men wanted her, and women and some men wanted to be her. Her wicked wit made her a mainstay on the international party circuit. She was last seen on a yacht off the coast of Monte Carlo, somewhere in the 70s, before mysteriously disappearing from the public eye. This was all we've ever seen of her. Forever fashionable, forever Fabiola, so here she is. She is so pretty with her green eyes and her blue eyeshadow and red flaming hair. She has a little beauty mark and her airbrushed cheeks. This dress is very mauve, very Pucci, very cute. I love the colors they chose. Yes, I feel so lucky I got this one. Oh, so here's a little bit about the designer. Knockoff. It's a Pucci inspired print. They call it Fucci at Cedric's of Hollywood, and it was a household name in the 60s. Lots of Hollywood celebrities wore it, and she's one of a kind. Doesn't only dress like it. She has a matching headscarf and glasses, clear pumps. Yes, this one is like a certificate of authenticity. Yes, so here she is again. I love her legs. She's very vintage Barbie. She has nipples too. I don't think I'm gonna unbox her. The box is so nice, and I don't want to mess it up right now. And so you guys will just have to like this video if you want to see more videos like this, and subscribe if you want to see me unbox her completely and maybe redress her and maybe some vintage Barbie clothes or some custom clothes. Yeah. So I'll just put it down. We'll just check her out. Alright, enjoy. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.